Not every side hustle needs inventory, pressure, or sales. Some starts with a conversation. When people hear the words side hustle, they often imagine garages full of products, endless sales calls, or the pressure of convincing people to buy. That used to be my thinking too. But then I discovered that not every side hustle works that way. Some simply start with a conversation. Really, some simply start with a conversation. A conversation where you share something that you found valuable and let the other person decide if it's right for them. No pressure, no chasing, no convincing, just an honest recommendation. Think about it. We recommend things every day without even realizing. A great shop, a great restaurant, a reliable plumber, a useful app. We do it because we believe it can help someone. Why should an opportunity be any different? Sometimes the biggest opportunities don't begin with a sales pitch. No, they begin with a genuine conversation between two people. So here's something to think about. What if your next conversation could open the door to something that keeps growing over time? If you're curious about it, put a yes in my comments. I'll send you the videos and you can make a decision.